Firstly, many congratulations. What's tougher, changing diapers, burping the baby, or prepping for a role?
I mean, I think the most anxious thing is waiting for the baby to burp, because everything's frozen. And, you know, it turns bright red and then burps much like I do, and then everything's fine. So that's the most tense part. Changing diapers these days is not really an issue, because you don't have those pins anymore, so there's no danger of impaling your baby. And prepping for a role is very relaxed and lots of fun.
And also, as Karina said, you're pretty hands-on with the little one.
Yes.